front of me is iiiF150 Raptor 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to start by locating Clock app on your device and clicking on it. Now tap on Alarm at the bottom left corner, and before doing anything, make sure to tap on those three dots at the top right one. Then select Settings. Most people miss that here you can adjust alarms options like snooze and even volume. When you finished with all of those, go back and create new alarm by tapping on this button at the bottom. Now set up an hour, and when you're ready, hit OK at the bottom right corner of the Select Time pop-up. As you can see, after a few seconds, new alarm was successfully created. Now let's adjust it. At the top, you can add label and save it by hitting OK. You can always change time by clicking on it, adjusting it, and choosing OK at the bottom right corner one more time. To pick days of the week, tap on the chosen ones, and to exclude some specific dates, use plus icon next to pause alarm. Then pick a date or a few and hit OK to save them. Then remove button if you ever wanna get rid of them. You can use those two icons, one next to vibrate to switch it off or turn it on, and one next to Google Assistant routine to add your alarm to it if you are using this function. Now tap on bell icon. Download one of those sound platforms or hit dismiss and do it later. If you want to use music from a chosen one, click on it at the top and log in. If you don't, you can also click on this plus icon next to Add New to pick any song from your smartphone and set it up as your new alarm one. Or if you don't want to do it either, just click on one of those, like Oxygen. Go back. And to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner of your alarm. If you want to switch it on or off, use this switcher right next to it. To make any changes, click at the top right corner of it. And to get rid of it, tap on Delete at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!